Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted emails from your Hotmail account, now known as Outlook. Losing important emails can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you can get them back quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlook login page. Click the sign in button and enter your Hotmail email address and password. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Outlook homepage. On the left panel, look for the Deleted Items folder. This folder stores emails you've recently deleted. Click on it to see all the emails waiting to be recovered. If the email you want is in this folder, simply select it and choose. Move to Inbox or another folder. It's that easy. The items will be restored instantly. If you don't see your email, don't worry. Scroll down and click the link that says Recover items deleted from this folder. This opens a list of emails that were permanently deleted but can still be restored for a limited time. Browse the list, select the emails you want to recover, and click Restore. These emails will be moved back to your inbox or original folders. Remember, Outlook only keeps these recoverable emails for a limited time, so act quickly. It's a good idea to check your deleted items and recoverable emails regularly to avoid losing important messages. And there you have it. Recovering deleted emails from Hotmail is easier than it seems when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips to manage your digital life